Application and registration for industrial designs. Brilliant colors, intense silhouettes, sensuous patterns, sophisticated style, three-dimensional shapes, and more. When applying for design registration, what should you do to effectively express the design? There are two-dimensional products, but most products are three-dimensional. A three-dimensional form is regulated to be drawn on a design plan when it's being applied for design registration. A design plan is a drawing that shows what an object looks like. The product's plan for registration must be drawn in a way so that its entire shape and form can be clearly perceived. The reason for this is to make it possible for mass production. When drawing the design plan, lines and symbols must be used to concisely and accurately express the product's shape, size, structure, and more according to the set regulations. If a product has a fixed position or direction, then its construction must be drawn accurately to portray that fact. When drawing a 3D design on a design plan, the general principle is that you must prepare a perspective view that observes all 6 sides from an inclined direction. The design plan must allow a full understanding of the 6 sides, which are front, back, left, right, plane, and bottom. The method of drawing a design plan is different for every product, but if the perspective view and set of 6 drawings are clear, then there should be no cause for concern. Although it's the same design, the one on the left is acceptable in Europe and the US, while it isn't acceptable in Korea, China, and Japan. It's because the way in which a design plan should be drawn differs in every country. There are countries where the design plan must be drawn according to a strict format so that anyone can easily understand it. Then, there are countries that are less strict, letting the designers freely express their designs. Therefore, if a company is preparing overseas expansion, then learning the examination standards in the target country is a necessity. The process of design application and registration is also different according to each country. The EU and China follow the non-substantive examination system, where they don't conduct a substantive examination about the design filed for application, but allow registration after just checking basic bibliographic data. This is to prevent value judgment of strongly trendy designs or creative designs at the examination level. On the other hand, the US, Korea, and Japan follow the examination system that determines the possibility of registration after searching for similar prior designs to the applicant design in order to check if it has novelty. They consider design to fall under the category of patents, so they do this search to disapprove the application if a similar design already exists. However, the drawback of the examination system is that the process takes a very long time. In order to supplement this, some countries apply the system differently according to each item. In principle, Korea follows the examination system, but regarding items that are strongly influenced by trends like clothes and wrapping paper, the partial examination system is applied. The partial examination system is a system that fully examines all requirements except for partial registration requirements that need prior design investigation. The reason the partial examination system is applied is to strengthen the competitiveness of designs that have a short life cycle by shortening and simplifying dependency period. The design plan drawing method and process of design application and registration differ for each country. In the case of designs, if a design is disapproved, then it is difficult to get it registered again. Therefore, companies must establish rigorous design strategies and be circumspect in applying for design registration.